Welcome everyone to break 1050 for the 2018 Gold Rush autographed hockey jersey. Let's go ahead and check the current date and time according to eBay. Today is Saturday. It's 2:45 p.m. Eastern Time and 11:45 a.m. Pacific Time. In the break, we have AJ with 15 spots, Unique 1, Camaro 1, JN with 1, Eric 1, or excuse me, 7, Nick with 4, and Tommy with 2. We'll randomize everyone 5 times for their teams. AJ on top, Tommy on the bottom once, twice, 3 times, 4, and 5. We'll put Unique on top, AJ on the bottom. Unique Ducks, Nick Coyotes, AJ Bruins, Eric Sabres, Nick Flames, Eric Hurricanes, AJ Blackhawks, Avalanche, Eric Blue Jackets, AJ Stars and Red Wings, JNC Oilers, Nick Panthers, AJ Kings and Wild, Camaro Canadiens, AJ Predators, Eric Devils and Islanders, AJ Rangers, Senators, Flyers, Penguins, Sharks, Eric Blues, Nick Lightning, Tommy Leafs, Eric Canucks, Tommy Golden Knights, AJ Capitals, and AJ Winnipeg Jets. So here we are, all sealed up. Get our seals here. Alrighty, I'm seeing red, white, and blue. JSA, fully examined. Here's our auto. Should be we have Leech. This is going to be for the Rangers. Alright, New York Rangers. New York Rangers is going to AJ Tang, 59. Congrats, AJ. Alright, we'll move on to our bonus break. Every break you have a chance to get into our bonus break, which is an autographed mini helmet. If you buy 10 spots or more, you're guaranteed a spot. AJ won the jersey, and we'll have a spot. Oh, that's not what I meant to do. Then we'll randomize everyone for a chance at a spot as well. 5 times, and at slot number 1 after the 5th time. Once, twice, 3 times, 4, and Eric also getting a spot. Alright, congrats to AJ and Eric. Thanks everyone for getting in. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel. Check us out on social media and our eBay store. And have a great day.